Hello and welcome back to the Mini Traders channel. In this video, we'll be continuing our comprehensive algorithmic trading course. Today's topic is variables name in Python. We'll cover the rules of naming variables and give examples in Jupyter Notebook. Variables are an important part of any programming language, and Python is no exception. The name you choose for your variable can impact how easy it is to read and understand your code. So, what are the rules for naming variables in Python? Variable names cannot begin with a number. They can only begin with a letter or underscore. Variable names can only contain letters, numbers, and underscores. No other special characters are allowed. Variable names are case sensitive. Var and var are considered two different variables. Use descriptive names instead of single letters or abbreviations. This is not a mandatory and you wouldn't get errors, but this makes your code easier to read and understand. Don't use reserved keywords as variable names. Reserved keywords are words that have special meaning in Python, such as if, else, while, etc. Now that we've gone over the rules for naming variables, let's see some examples in a Jupyter Notebook. We'll start by creating a variable called num_shares and assigning it a value of 1000. Next, we'll create another variable called share price and assign it a value of 15. With these two variables, we can calculate the total value of our shares using the formula total value equals the num shares multiplied by share price. That wraps up our video on variables name in Python. Remember to follow the rules of naming your variables and use descriptive names to make your code easier to read and understand. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give us a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more algorithmic trading tutorials. Thanks for watching, have a good time and bye.